Hey team, Patrick here. I'm excited to introduce our brand new range of 304 Rapidpress fittings. Just landed and ready to go. This range includes 90 degree, 45 degree and spigot bends, couplers and tees, giving you plenty of options for your next project. Now, why pay for 316 fittings when 304 fittings can help you cut costs without compromising the quality? If you're unsure whether you need 304 or 316, you can refer to our online chemical compatibility chart where it will show you which is most suitable. Our limited size range runs from 76 to 108, making it perfect for a variety of applications. To make things even easier, our 304 range features a grey press sleeve, so you won't mix them up with the 316 blue sleeve or the yellow gas range. Another identifying factor of the 304 fittings is that it is printed on the fitting 304, along with a non-potable water sticker. Remember, the metal company are known as innovators and leaders in the market, providing you with an easy solution to ensure that our customers have access to the easiest press fit system in New Zealand, Rapidpress. This helps to make your job faster and more efficient because we make buying stainless steel easy.